Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Thank you.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
I hope all of you are ready with your English literature textbook part 2. Are you? Yes. Okay, good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good morning.
How are
Is
you?
everybody on page number 36? I'm fine, Angela. Thank you very much. Are you all on page number 36 of the literature
Yes.
textbook? Okay, fine. Dia, unmute your device and start reading. Dia, unmute. Yes. Start reading. From the beginning. From the beginning. Let us revise what all we have learnt and then we will continue with this lesson. Then only you will be able to remember and understand. Yes, Dia, please start.
Ravina auntie is coming this year, said to Mommy. Preeti and Priya jumped with joy.
She was
there.
Yeah, read the next word. FAVOURITE.
She
Huh?
had many
Interesting. Yes. INTERESTING. It's a long word, my dear. So you may break it and read it. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, try to read it. TALES. Tails. Not tells. TALES. Tails. Tells is TELLS. Tells. Tales to tell. Yes, very good. Continue. She worked for a She worked for a magazine. Yes. Yeah. Try to read it. Traveled a lot. A lot. Yes. Okay, Dia, I want you to read the same paragraph one more time. Keep the corrections in mind.
Ravina auntie is coming this year, said Mommy. Preeti and even except Mommy, Preeti and Priya
Jumped with.
joy.
Yes.
Jumped with joy.
Okay.
Was there for
No. No, no, no. F-A. Favorite. 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 Not aunt. Aunt. A-U-N-T. Aunt.
many
Hmm.
interesting
Interesting.
well
No, no.
tails
Tales. Yes, you're right. Tales.
that
To tell.
to tell the
Hmm.
world for a magazine.
For a magazine.
A magazine and
Traveled.
a lot.
A lot. Okay, fine. Good, Dia. Thank you. Try to practice reading regularly, alright? You're doing a good job now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. Feba, continue reading. Yes, read. Ravina auntie. Mm.
Reached at 5 o'clock.
Not at. At. At.
At 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Hello, my favorite girls.
Mm.
He said,
Okay.
come Andy. Said Priya.
Mm.
We W-E-R-E. Well,
We were.
W-A-I-N.
Break it and read. W-A-I-T. Wait. I-N-G. Ing. Waiting. Waiting.
Waiting to
Mm.
waiting to
Mm.
H-E-A-R. Here,
Here.
Y-O-U-R. Well,
Your. Mm.
child.
Stories. Okay.
I
Mm.
do
Have.
yes, I do have many stories to share. Such an
Mm.
auntie, W-H-E-R-E.
Mm.
Well,
Mm.
have you come
From.
from
Asked. Asked Preeti. Yeah. Okay, fine, Feba. Yes, you're trying to read well, my dear. Good. Thank you. So, my dear students, we have revised that the day is very special for the two girls named Preeti and Priya because their favorite aunt, whose name was Ravina auntie, was coming to their home that particular day in the evening. Both the girls were so happy that they started jumping with joy. Joy means happiness. Hope you remember that. What is the meaning of joy? Happiness. Yes. Okay. She was their favorite aunt. Ravina aunt was the favorite aunt. Ritika, unmute. Why was Ravina auntie the favorite aunt of the two girls? Was the favorite aunt of the girls. Why? Yes, because she had many interesting stories to tell the girls. Yes, good effort, Ritika. You are right. Angela, unmute. How did Ravina auntie have many interesting tales to tell the girls? How did she? Yeah.
worked
Yes.
worked
Worked
in
for a,
magazine.
not a, for a magazine.
Worked for a magazine.
That is why she had many interesting stories to tell.
Story.
Many interesting
Story.
stories to tell. Yes, very good. Good effort, Angela. You thought well and answered it properly. Good. Evelyn, working for a magazine. Yeah, welcome. Evelyn Mentosh, working for a magazine made Ravina auntie do something a lot. What was that?
Travel a lot.
Yes, you're right. Absolutely right. Very good. I'm twisting the questions and giving it to you. Still, you all are able to understand and give the answer. Very good. I'm proud of you all. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Ravina auntie worked for a magazine and that made her travel a lot. And with all these traveling experiences of her, she had many interesting stories to tell the girls. And that is the reason she was the favorite aunt of these two girls. See, it is all connected to each other. Did everybody understand it now? Okay, that is why I always keep telling you, try to understand whatever you are learning. Then there is no need for you to mug up things. You will be able to understand and write the answers in your own words. Okay, very good. Well done all of you. So that day Ravina auntie reached at 5 o'clock in the evening and the girls greeted her happily. They said that they were waiting to hear the stories from Ravina auntie. Finally, one of the girls asked auntie, "Where are you coming from?" Let us see what she replied. Daksha, unmute and continue reading. From I had gone. To a try to read the word. D-E-S-E-R-T. Desert. Desert. Yeah. He is a, read louder Daksha, I can barely hear you. Read louder. He is a photographer. Yeah. He wanted
to take
photographs of the rising and
setting sun.
not sitting, S-E-T-T-I-N-G. Setting. Setting sun. Yes, very good. Continue. Okay. We had to. Yes. Would get in the sand. Okay. Good effort, Daksha. You're trying to read well. Now let me ask you some more questions. Do you remember understanding this particular passage? Yes? Okay, good. Let me make sure about it. Ayan, unmute. Where did Ravina auntie come from to the girl's house? From where did she come? Where is the sentence, Ayan? I want the answer in a complete sentence.
Ravi Gandhi.
What is the past tense of come?
Come from.
What is the past tense of come? Yes? Came, yes. Continue with your answer. Ravina auntie came.
Came from. Desert.
A desert. A desert.
What is that?
A desert, yes, you're right. Try to remember the answer, Ayan, okay? And try to remember how to frame the answers in a complete sentence also. Okay? Yeah, good. Thank you. Ravina auntie came from a desert. Nazia, unmute. With whom did she go to the desert? With whom did Ravina auntie go to the desert?
Ravina and the go there.
Go is there in the question. What will it become in the answer?
There. When.
Yes.
When
Continue.
there with a friend.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Ananda Padmanabhan, what was Ravina auntie's friend working as? What did Ravina auntie's friend work as? Ravina auntie's friend was a... I cannot hear you. Check the speaker. You are not muted, but your device is not audible. You are not audible. I think he is facing network issues. Rudraksh, unmute. What did Ravina auntie's friend work as? Make it fast.
Ravina and his friend was working for a photographer.
No, worked as a photographer, ma'am. Worked as a...
Photographer.
Yes, Rudraksh, yes, you're right. Worked as a... Ravina auntie worked for a magazine. But Ravina auntie's friend worked as a photographer. Okay? There is a difference between these two sentences. Okay, good effort, Rudraksh. Thank you. Red, unmute. Ravina auntie's friend wanted to click photographs of something special. What were they? Yes, very good, Red. You gave the answer perfectly in a complete sentence. Good, I'm happy to hear it. I have two more questions related to the same sentence. Where is the sun rise? We discussed this in the previous class, do you remember? In which direction? I'll ask you a little more precisely.
West.
Rise. The sun rises in the... Louder. The sun rises in the... Which direction? East. And where does it set? The sun sets in the west. Yeah. Say it again. Unmute. Say it again. Both these sentences. The sun rises. Unmute. Yeah. The sun sets in the west. Yes. Remember it, okay? This is something very common and general that we all should know. Okay? Yeah. Good effort, my dear. Thank you. Okay. Now let us try to continue. learning ahead. Never unmute. What did Ravina auntie and her friend used to travel on at the desert? At the desert, what did Ravina auntie and her friend travel on?
The Ravina auntie.
The Ravina auntie, never add the in front of any person's name.
Ravina auntie
And her friend.
and her friend travel on camel.
Why?
The car is checked.
The cars would get
Check.
where?
Desert.
In the
desert.
In the sand, my dear. In the sand. What is there in the desert? Lots of sand, right? And the wheels of the car would get stuck in the sand, not in the desert. Did you understand the difference?
Yes.
The wheels of the cars would get stuck in the sand. Okay. Then Ravina auntie, thank you my dear. Good effort. Then Ravina auntie continued saying that before going to the desert, she was in the mountains. Where was she before coming to the desert? She was in the mountains. My dear students, I hope you all remember what are mountains. Raised parts of the ground are called mountains. And small mountains are called, what are small mountains called? Hills. Yes, very good. Never remembers that, right? Small mountains are called hills. And what are mountains? Raised parts of the ground are called mountains. Okay, let us continue from here. Shri Parvati, unmute. Read. Unmute. Yeah. Continue reading from there. Before that, that is done. After that, what a different.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but the voice is very low. It's okay, fine.
Now,
Yeah, better.
what a different place
Mm.
for us desert
Mm.
with the mountain. Let everyone.
Huh.
Yes, at the time, my friends had made pictures of a mountain lion.
Yes.
The villagers had hunted. It was not known, but it was very fun with a lot of wind.
With a lot of wind. Okay. Fine, Shri, you are trying to read well. Thank you. Yeah, welcome. So, as Ravina auntie continued saying, she told the girls that before moving to the desert or before being at the desert, Ravina auntie was at the mountains. So everyone said, oh, what a different place from a desert to the mountains. So that means the girls are so excited that Ravina auntie gets a chance to visit so many different places. A desert and a mountain are completely different places in terms of the scenery and in terms of the weather as well. At the desert, it is very hot in the day and cold at night, right? But in the mountains, the weather is absolutely cool all the time. What is the reason for the weather at the mountains to be very cool all the time? What is the reason? Who can tell me? The weather at the mountains is cool all the time. What is the reason for that? Who can give me the answer? Yes, Karthik, unmute.
Yes, fine.
What is the reason for that? Did you hear the question?
No.
I will repeat the question for you. I said the weather at the mountains is cool all the time. Why? Have you been to a mountain ever? Have you seen a mountain?
Yes.
Yes. How do they appear? How do they appear? How do they appear? They look green, right? What makes them look green?
The grass.
The grass and the trees. Mountains are always filled with trees and plants and grass, right? And all these things help in maintaining the temperature. And that is the reason mountains are always having a cool climate. Cool climate. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And desert, it is full of sand. It's a very hot place. It is very hot during the day and a bit cold at night. Okay, Karthik? That is the difference between the desert and the mountains. Okay. Thank you, Karthik.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. So, Ravina aunty continued explaining that at that is when she went to the mountain, her friend wanted to click pictures of a mountain lion. A mountain lion is a particular category of lions which thrive in the mountains only, which live in the mountains only. That is why it is specified here, mountain lion. These lions can thrive or live only in the mountains. The villagers had seen the lion, and it was the villagers who had called and informed Ravina auntie's friend that there was a mountain lion, and he wanted to click pictures of the mountain lion. And luckily it was not snowing, but it was very cold with a lot of wind. My dear students, do you remember what is wind? What is wind? Who remembers what is wind? What do you understand by wind? Yes, Evelyn, unmute. Unmute. Try again. Unmute. What is wind?
Cold.
What?
Cold.
Cold. No, my dear. Wind. Wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. What is wind? Angela, wait. When I am asking one child, I want the others to keep their devices muted. Avoid speaking in between. What is wind? What is wind? Those who wish to answer may raise their hands. I will give you a chance. What is wind? I can see some children raising their hands. Yes, Raith, what is wind? Sorry?
No.
No, wind, wind, W-I-N-D, wind. What is wind? Wind. Yes, Neva, unmute.
Air.
Moving air, not just air. Moving air is called wind. Do you remember now? We have learned this in standard 1. I think you forgot in one of the lessons. Yes. Moving air is called wind. Try to remember now. Okay. Yeah. So, how was the weather at that time? It was very cool, but luckily it was not snowing. It was not snowing. There was no snowfall happening. When the climate becomes very cool, very cool, then only it snows, right? Do we have any snowing here? No, right? No, there are some places which have very cool climate. There only snowfall occurs. Okay.
Mama, I know.
Yeah, what? Okay. Okay, fine. Aaron, unmute. Aaron, unmute. Unmute. Continue reading. From were you able? Read. Why are you taking such a lot of time? Aaron, read. Were you able? Were you able to the pictures? Priya. Continue reading. Yes.
We fetch up a
Not a.
boy. A boy.
Okay. And
Colored
covered it.
it leaves and
branches. And chess. Branches. Branches. Continue reading. No one. COULD. Could.
Could see us. My friend had camera ready.
Ready. Very good. WAIT. Wait. HOURS. Ours. 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 Before.
Before the lion came,
Okay.
were able to split just a church,
Just a few.
church
Before.
the lion.
The lion ran away
on
hearing. Ryan, switch on the camera.
some
On hearing some.
on hearing some.
Okay.
What
Mm.
That
Okay.
I'm going to travel when I
Grow up.
grow up.
Me too, said Priya.
That's Priya.
Okay, Aaron, you are trying to read quite well, but I want you to practice reading regularly, all right? Then only you will gain confidence of reading a little more well, all right? Aaron, yeah, keep practicing. Yeah, thank you. So, my dear students, we will continue the same in the next session. I want all of you to practice reading this entire story, the complete lesson. At least 3 times you must read each and every word loudly and clearly. All right? Yeah, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.